Ladies and gentlemen, this is Photoshop on iPad, just like you've always wanted.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is October 2019, and we still don't have full Photoshop for iPad. Yes, Adobe teased us with full Photoshop on iPad a year ago, and we still don't have it. A whole new operating system has been released for iPad, and still no full Photoshop. Right after it was announced at WWDC back in 2018, a few early reviewers got to review and demo the software, and some of their complaints were centered around features not being exactly the same, especially with shortcuts. And some people specifically said that I miss my shortcuts, and that is to be expected because iPad, of course, is a little different from Mac. Although you would be able to open the same PSD, some of the gimmicky features that they showed off at WWDC, like touch modifiers, where you can touch the display and map it to do different things, like, for example, duplicate a layer or an image, and other gimmicky features like double tap on the Apple Pencil to zoom in and out of your canvas. I was thinking that Adobe might be holding off on releasing this until iPadOS comes out, where they can release a few more features and shortcuts. But now iPadOS is here, people have it downloaded and they're loving it, but where is Adobe Full Photoshop for iPad? And I was really hoping that they would get this out before Adobe Max in 2019, which is in November. That would be really embarrassing for them to get up there and say, oh yeah, we're still kind of working on this. Sorry guys, I know you're waiting for it. And even before Adobe Max, we might have another Apple event this month in October that releases new Macs and new iPads. And that would be awesome to have that new hardware and software launched at the same time. But hey, if you found this video because you're looking for information about the full Photoshop on iPad, make sure you smash like, subscribe, and I will update you when this comes out. Welcome to the channel. We talk about stuff like this all the time. If you found this interesting, we have other conversations that go in depth about a lot of things in technology. But thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.